Oh, oh, they're hitting it, folks. I don't know if you can see it, but good sign. Oh, they're slapping at it. There it is. They're hitting it, folks. There it is, folks. There it is, folks. Finally committed. Oh, I lost it. I lost it right here, but it was I don't think it was a keeper. But it ripped my paint off. It looks like freaking Mike Tyson right now. So it's a good time, folks. I tried to horse him in because I didn't want him. I didn't want him to. I didn't want to have the thing tangle my dip net. Another follower, folks. They're in here. Got hit, folks. I got hit, folks. I got a slap, folks. Another slap. There it is. Start recording. Start recording. Come on. First, did I get that? Yes, sir. Papa. That should be keeper number one, folks. Hopefully it doesn't get all tangled in mine. Hopefully he doesn't get all tangled in the net. Okay. Then get the net out here. Then get the stringer. I'll measure in a minute, but it's definitely. Ah, you gotta. I gotta be careful with the trebles. The fish, I don't care. It's the trebles. There's one. My pliers. There you go. First fish, folks. It's about 16, 17. I'll measure it later. I'll measure it later. Top water. Get my towel out. Start recording. Okay, I had a slap there, folks. Okay, another slap, folks. Maybe I should put some of that. After this cast, I'm gonna put some of that Pro Gel or Cure Gel or what do you got? Pro Cure. Pro Cure. Ooh, folks. Monster. Oh, this is gonna be oversized unless it's a red. It's still green, folks. Oh my God. B19, baby, B19. Oh my God, folks. Damn. Did you see that, folks? Now that's what we're talking about. That's Port Mansfield right there. That's Port Mansfield speckled trout right there. I think I'm gonna string him and then I'll measure him. So, cause he's flopping around with treble hooks. He might keep, folks. He might be $19.99. But I'm gonna secure him first and then we'll measure him. Okay, he's secured somewhat. Now let me try to get. Gotta be careful here. I'm playing a dangerous game here. No. Oh my God. I just don't want to. Okay. Get up. He might be 19, folks. He might just keep. He might just keep. He might just keep, folks. Okay, beautiful fish, folks. Beautiful fish. You put him back in the water in case he is. No, I think he's gonna keep, folks. I think it's a beautiful 19-inch. I think he's a beautiful 19-inch. Oh yeah. Where are you? Which one are you? Which one are you? Folks. 20. 20, folks. Am I lucky or am I lucky? Look at those bad boys right there. Look at those. Okay, one more and I got my limit, and then we go look for reds. And on this, I'll show you the measurement again at the dock so you won't see. Pinche rocky reels kept at 20 and okay, one more, folks. Oh yeah, folks, that might be number 3. Ah, it might be too small, I don't know. Close. Start recording. Okay, folks, I got one, but it's gonna be close. I don't think it's gonna make it. I don't think it's gonna make it, but we'll see. It might just jump out of the damn boat. I think this guy's gonna jump out of the boat. If he jumps out of the boat, he deserves to be free. If he jumps out, he deserves to be free. Anyway, it's gonna be close to 15. It might not make it. It might not make it. God, I just not 14 and a half. 14 and a half, folks. Start recording. Start recording. Start. Let's try to get it again. God almighty. Start recording. Okay, I had another one. It was a big one because it went down. Fucking piece of shit. Let's see if I could get back on it. Oh, I got hit again. Okay, they're still active. That way I can rig it, weed this somewhat. I need to start working my way back though. This looks real good. Oh yeah, I'm on. Start recording. Oh, I think it's gonna be a little shy. I'm recording this first of all. It might be a little short. It's probably a little short, but here it is, folks. Z-Man to the rescue. I think it's 14. 14 and oh wait. Jesus Christ. Are you 15, Corona? No. Pretty close. Let's go back at it. Okay, be under 20, baby. Be under 20. Be under 20. Come on, baby, please. I'm begging you, please be under 20. I'm gonna string her up like if it is under 20. And then we'll measure. Cause he's a feisty one. She's the feisty one. It's gonna be close to 20, folks. I think it's gonna make it. I think it is. It looked like an 18. It looked like an 18 when I just put it back. It's here, folks. To make sure, we gotta follow the rules. Gotta follow the rules. Bump board? Oh yeah. Woo! Limit, folks. Rick. You see that, folks? He came, he saw, got a 20 and 18, and I didn't measure the first one, but okay, so it's time to go shallow. It's time to go shallow and look for some reds. Z-Man, folks. Z-Man. Mira, papa. Let's get another nice one, folks. Another nice speckled trout. Z-Man to the rescue. It's probably, I'll measure it for you guys. I can't keep it, but 16. My other ones are, yeah, 16. It's gotta go back. 16, it's gotta go back, folks, because I already got my limit. Oh, there's a dolphin. Hopefully he doesn't eat my fish. Okay, dolphin, you're cute and everything, but oh shit, there's a dolphin. I gotta make sure he doesn't want to eat my stringer. Where is it? He heard Rick rock and reel was fishing. I saw that. He heard Rick's rock and reels was fishing. He goes, he's gotta have fish. So he's gonna come check me out. Mira el pinche Facebook, el pinche dolphin. Mira el pinche Facebook, 956 page. Y dijo, a la madre, Rick has fish, let's go steal it from him. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and head back. If there's not too many people at the pier, I'll try to catch some, target some flounder. But I told myself that I wasn't gonna be out here too long. That way I can go out again tomorrow.